All right, here we are on October 12, 2021, day 2 of fencing setup. I'm going to make a walking tour of the fence that I see set up right now. So here I am out in front of City Hall. Well, let's head over this way. Start down here. Shit. Let's do my settings again here. Actually, I could just do some. Get set. All right. Settings ready to go here. Cut across here. You can see they've already done quite a bit of fencing setup since yesterday. Got the fence set up over here by City Hall. Go down here to the fencing they have set up down here. They still have left gaps in the fence perimeter right now for people to come and go. I guess until they can complete the entire perimeter and the area is sealed off for construction. They're going to allow some access into the mall area. A little bit breezy today. Had a cold front move through last night. Today when I woke up it was 63 degrees. It's still probably maybe in the 60s now. Okay, so we'll walk around here. A little bit muddy. We have the fence set up along here. Fences do have a covering on them, so that will block the view somewhat, though it's pretty semi-transparent material. You see the fences all around here. Have access to City Hall here. At least up to here. When you get up to here, it shuts down right there, shuts off the east bowl. That's as far as you can really go that way. Have to backtrack here. This area out here will be open to the public apparently. Here comes a guy on a cart behind me. Get out of his way. The love statue is still in place, so I haven't moved that yet. Over here in front of the library on the mall side, they're just getting the fence set up today. We'll walk around here, and I'll walk back west. See, the love statue still hasn't been removed yet. Not sure when that's happening, but I would think sometime this week. So you're just getting the fence set up here on this side of the library. We'll run to there. Over to here. There's a gate here, so there's access into the mall area for any kind of machinery or whatever they're pulling in or out of here. The fence truck is over here in front of the Performing Arts Center. And the statue still in its location. Walk over this way, see how the fence setup's going, what they're doing here. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Very good. You know when they're going to move the love statue?
Second week of November between
Oh, so it's going to stay here for a while.
For a couple more weeks, yeah.
All right.
And then it's going to go off site and then it'll be back after we're done.
All right. Sounds good.
Yep.
Big project, huh?
Yes, sir. Be a
Should-
mess for a little while.
It'll be nice when it's done, I think, though.
Yeah, no, it'll be much better.
All right. Sounds good. Thank you. Have a good day. Okay, so the love statue's not being moved till the second week of November, according to this gentleman. So it'll be here for a little while. Let's see, this is October 12th, so probably almost a month before it moves. I figured they'd get it out of here sooner, but here's the fence truck guys here. Continuing the setup of the fence. Go over here by AZ88. See what they're doing. Looks like they got some truck up by the entrance over here. Doing some kind of, probably starting to work on taking up the underground infrastructure. You see a fence is set up over here on the side of the mall area. Fence here. Run across in front of AZ88 over here. Shuts that down. Go up here and see how far I can get this way. Got a big truck parked up here in the walkway. Might not be able to get by it. Or maybe I will. We'll see. It'd be nice to get all the way down to Brown. See the ladies going through there. Maybe I can do it. This way. Still some people out here today. Haven't totally shut it down yet. These guys are got a fence set up over here also. Be able to make it all the way down to Brown. It's the parking area back here. Got still fencing to set up here, but this is how it'll sort of shut off this area. We're down this way. This is shutting off this western Paseo area here. Got quite a bit of fence set up yesterday, really. You see Savino Winery and the tile store have their public access. Fence runs along in such a manner as it doesn't block them off anything. Wrap around this way. Looks like they haven't gotten down to Old Town Tavern yet, fence-wise. Parking lot shut down now. There will eventually be a fence across the back of that, because that will undergo construction and renovation for the museum garden area. Town Tavern hasn't been impacted yet by the fence. So far they've got the fence up to just in front of the tile store here right now. There's no fence set up here by Old Town Tavern yet. They're not impacted by the, you have caution markers here. Right down here by the Banyan Tree, so this gives us a sense of how the fence setup is going. So we got to get this in through here. Fence will come along here, come down beside the Banyan Tree and wrap around here, back over to the Bischoff family home here. So that'll probably be done by end of the day or tomorrow, I would think. Then we'll have the fencing completed. So this will wrap up this tour. Old Town, fairly semi-busy today. Looks like the fountain shut down. So there we have our tour and the present status of the fence setup. So, let's see, coming up on 14 minutes here for this tour. So that's good. Accomplished everything I wanted to accomplish today. So fence is getting set up. Old Town Tavern will get its fence probably within the next day or two, if not today. But currently it doesn't have a fence setup going. So I'm going to end this video here, and that'll take care of the fence setup for today. Got some information on the love statue, so that was a bonus. Alrighty.